he's not going to be moving very fast, is he?
They don't move that fast to begin with.
I don't know. He's struck pretty quick.
It's just the front part of him. Because it's so small, I think. Come on, are you going to yawn for me?
Looks like somebody's been up against the glass.
Holy Cody.
Looks like he's gonna go in if he's like loud and basic.
You better yawn first. Oh, so cute. Oh, do it again.
Are you recording it?
Yeah.